voilà. Dans l'action. Is under the fridge, right next to the stove. If you can see, the soup is boiling. Fresh soup. Playing a video game. It's using a lot of power though. 6.6 amps at 13 volts. So yeah, it's using a lot of power. I only have one light on. And outside it's extremely thunderstorm. So yeah, we just did a walk, a long walk, and yeah, now it's resting time. Hello from the future again. So I fixed the brake light from the caravan. I'm doing the dishes and I'm gonna carry on. I didn't have a lot of content videos from what I did after this. I can't find them. I thought I filmed enough. Apparently not much, because in between this and the next stop where I have content again a little bit more, I know almost from Spain that I have started filming for sure, because I didn't want to film everything. I didn't want to do a YouTube channel, but I like it. I'm having fun with it. It's something to do. I think I stopped now at the free camping. Not really free. It was closed, but I opened the barrel myself and I went there, because the next day I got shoot away. And then I went to another free spot, and I'm 100% sure that I had content from that, because it was on a parking like from buses in a very sweet little town in France, and with a little river, and I think maybe the Yeah, the library and stuff was there, and there was also a spot where you could dump your toilet water, the black water, and get water for free. It was really a nice little town, not a rich town, and again it was the best one. And then I went again to home camper spots. I think, yeah, the last one in France.